Hey, welcome back. Recently, I showed you a video on different items that I was considering on building and putting into my cabins and other places that I'm renovating, and I got a lot of interest in that, so I thought I'd show you my other channel, which is Melanie Heinrich Studios. That's what it's called on YouTube, but also my website, which is mhstudios.com. And I thought you might be interested in some of the items that I have made, some crafts, some furniture, which may be more appropriate. And this video is kind of going over that site, mhstudios.com, and you can see kind of briefly the things that I've made over the years. I've been doing this well over 20 years. And I just enjoy it, and I have a lot of fun creating and working with my hands. So let me know what you think would be best as you see me designing and building. Let me know what you think. I'm curious to know what you think. And remember, I'm an artist first, and I'm always thinking about things that I can make and utilize in these properties that we're renovating. And I try to make things that are suitable for the area, the region. For example, if it's on the beach, it's not going to have a rustic cabin product in it. So those are the things that I think about. Anyway, please like and subscribe and help support me. That's all I ask. It's free. Just like I've got 95% of the people watching my videos and only 5% helping me out and subscribing. So if you could subscribe, kudos. That would be awesome, and I'd be very, very grateful. Thanks for watching. See you soon.